Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to download Paramount Plus app and log in, and you can do this on both iOS and Android. Both have an app, so I'll show you on the iPhone here. You first want to navigate to the App Store. If you're on an Android, that'll be the Google Play Store, and then search out for Paramount Plus. You then want to select Install. It'll quickly install the app. Then you want to open up the app. Once the app's loaded, you'll be able to sign in with Paramount Plus or sign in with a partner. As I've signed up directly with Paramount Plus, I'll sign in with Paramount Plus. Then you want to enter your email that you signed up with and then the passcode. Then you'll simply press continue and you'll be automatically logged in to Paramount Plus. Then once you're logged in, you'll select the user profile. So I'll select myself here, Lee. Then we'll be able to watch any movies that we want. So that's how to download Paramount Plus app and log in. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.